Number 8 can be done easily if you remember your factorization patterns. I'm showing you the factorization pattern of the difference of two perfect squares because that is what this problem hinges on. If you know that, it goes fairly quickly. So if we have m squared minus 4n squared equals 32, and they're asking us, and they're giving us, m plus 2n equals 8, then they're asking us what is m minus 2n. The reason this problem is fairly simple is because this is the difference of two perfect squares, which means it can be factored into, the factorization pattern is the factors of m squared are m times m, the signs have to be different, plus and minus, and since 4 is a perfect square and n squared is a perfect square, we're going to factor into 2n times 2n, that equals 32. Now, by the principle of substitution, what we can say is we know that the m plus 2n number, this number is nothing more than an 8. And 8 times this m minus 2n number has to equal 32. Well, what number do you multiply times 8? So I'm just saying, what would this number be to get 32? Well, I just want to divide that by 8, and that number would be 4. So now I'm going to take this equation and divide it by 8. And that means the m minus 2n would have to equal a 4. So it really hinges on your ability to factor the difference of two perfect squares. That's why we spent so much time this year trying to get you solid in your factoring principle.